Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable ground healing on the Memories in Orbit game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Memories in Orbit on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and navigate into the settings page. From here, within the left menu, go into Assists at the very end and then press Enter. You will now see various different options, including ground healing at the very end. Navigate to this and then press Enter. And now you can use the left and right arrows in order to choose yes or no. If you choose yes, then ground healing will be enabled. After choosing yes, just go back and your changes will be saved. You can now enjoy your game with the assisted ground healing option. And if at any point you wish to change this, you can go back into the assists within the settings page and then set no within ground healing. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable ground healing on the Memories in Orbit game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.